Alright, here we have Orchid Villa and the view of Ditliff Point. This is from the top of the driveway. It's a nice cloudy day. Okay, just started to rain. Oh well. Here we go down the steps and off to the first upper bedroom. Oh, maybe I should turn on the light. So here is the first upper bedroom. We'll go out to the most important part, the deck. So here you have the view from the upper master bedroom, I guess you call it. And has little rocking chairs that are really comfortable. And again, I think you can hear the waves. It's a rocky beach, but the snorkeling is just out of this world over here. We're very happy with the house so far, and I think this is going to be the house we will be renting for the near future. Okay, so here's bedroom, and it's decent. You got a TV, you have AC, and a fan. This is the master bath. Cute and clean toilet. Oop, we do not want me in the mirror. And the closet area, and then the sink. So there you have that. Turn off all the lights. And on to main part of the house. Steps down. It's like ice when they get wet. Oh, it's raining. So here we have the seating area. It's just a really nice view. You can hear the waves. And it's raining. A lot of birds, a lot of iguanas. Nope, Mr. Iguana's not there. There's usually an iguana in the tree. So here you have the seating area. We hung out here a lot. Here's the other downstairs bedroom that we're staying in, but it's kind of a mess, so I won't show it all, but there's the bed. The bathroom is the same as the bathroom upstairs, and then it's not as good as a view, but we just liked staying in the downstairs bedroom. It was easier. Okay, so I should have finished this outside area and I didn't. So here's the pool. It, you know, serves its purpose. It's not big or anything. And here is the grilling area. Kind of buggy over here, so we really didn't risk grill. It's really starting to rain now. Okay. Now, the main part of the house. Ron, I'm coming in. So, TV, iPods, docking station. The other view, get lift. Here's the couches and stuff. They're okay. And kitchen. Squeaky door. Seating area. Yeah. We're going upstairs. Here's the bedroom, I guess, for kids. No AC up here, but fan. And then the bathroom. This is where we were taking showers because the other ones are outside showers. So there you have it. This would be Orchid Villa. We'll end it with a view out the window.